This is start.
Okay, I know, but do I need to zoom in right then? I think it's nicer if it's...
Good evening, everyone. I'm from Pakistan. My name is Mohammed Talat. I'm a PhD scholar and the lecturer at the University of Loralai, Balochistan, Pakistan. My topic is teachers' responsibility for effective learning environment. It's quite important topic.
The other side, the other one. Yes.
Yes. Abstract. Teacher's role in any system of education is a backbone of development of any country. The population of a state comprised by 150 teachers and students from private and government schools located in Karachi. A very short sampling as well. So you know that as they mentioned here, the null hypothesis has been rejected. And the result clearly showed that the teacher's honesty, skills, training, and good salary package also supported tools of their efficiency, especially the poor country like Pakistan and other teaching salary packages also. Introduction of teachers not only transfer knowledge to the student, but he or she makes the thing better for them. You know, the golden principle of morality to become an active member of the nation, teacher responsibility for the academic, mental, moral, and physical development of the students are very important. Objective of this study are to find out the opportunity available for the teacher education institution, to analyze the learning opportunity of the student through teaching, to find out the intellectual creativity of the student through class learning, to find out the student achievement through effective teaching environments. My hypothesis is there will be no significant relation between teacher responsibility and effective learning environment. You know the spelling of hypothesis is single. If we add S in place of I, mean many hypotheses is a plural form. Research continuity is a research based on survey and qualitative and quantitative approach has been used. You know the qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative means that you have used some references, and quantitative you can use a statistics tools like sampling and SPSS tools, software, and chi-square, statistics most important role. My survey form included this 10 multimedia uses during teaching in the classroom. Teacher use effective audio-visual aid during teaching. During teaching, teachers are cooperative and the teacher give good feedback, and tuition answering is usual. The other students usually discussion during teaching. The students freely discuss, and teachers provide their students for self-creative opportunity during teaching. The students take more interest during teaching in classroom. These are the results of chi-square. You know, the chi-square shows that we have a table chi-square, the tabulated value of chi-square value with GF, degree of freedom, 4. So you know that I used Lakerdiscal. Lakerdiscal, you know? Lakerd is the name of 5 scale, that's a strongly agree,
Yes,
agree,
yes.
or undecided, or disagree, strongly agree. So we use n minus 1 as a formula, so degree of freedom here is 4. At 0.05, that's the confidence level, and you know that 95% has been taken because you know the margin of 5% is always there. No one can get 100% result. So margin of 5% means if you divided 5 by 100, you can get 0.05. So these are the result of the table, you know. This shows that all the tuition is accepted, but the two most important thing is 32% that shows the teacher's ability, how cooperative the students, and the motivation. Because as you know that during the physics teaching, because I have a lot of experience to teach physics at the school level, so the motivation is quite important. Because supposing I am studying laws of motion, the third law of motion, so naturally the ball should, you can use, this is your personal skill, and then throw and catch again. This shows some interest. And then started from the beginning, and that's the scale of the motivation. So the motivation is also important, friendly atmosphere. As you know, the teacher is not transfer, the main duty not to transfer knowledge, is can solve the psychological problem as well. At some occasion, sometimes the student discuss very personal and confidential problem with the teacher. But this is the quality of a teacher. Now, conclusion that the study provides the valid information about the true and unique character of teachers are an integral part of the education and learning process. The teachers are the pillars of nation, and latest development of science and technology is the result of a good education and the structure of the advanced country in the world will change the whole scenario of the world. This is my research, shows that my preferences. Thank you.
Thank you.